Find A, B, C and D with the information given below. A, 3 less than minus 2. From minus 2, subtract 3, we get minus 5. Or A should be minus 5. Minus 10 is dash steps to the right of minus 21. So we have minus 21 here, minus 10 here, and then 0. So minus 10 is some number of steps to the right of minus 21. So from minus 21 we keep adding. If you add 1, you get minus 20. If you add 2, we get minus 19. If you add 3, we'll get minus 18. What should you add? Minus 21. What should we add to this to get minus 10? Or we should take 11 steps. Minus 21 to minus 10, there are 11 steps. It is 11 steps to the right. So A is minus 5. B is 11. I'm going to look at the choices. It says A, B, C, D. We have A should be minus 5. And B should be 11. Right, so already I can see that only this choice works. Minus 5, 11. I'm going to verify this. The other two being right. The smallest negative integer is minus 1. 0 is not negative, not positive. The first negative integer is minus 1. This works. Minus 6 plus 8. Negative number plus positive number. The magnitude will be the difference. The positive number magnitude is higher. Minus 6 plus 8. The result will be positive. Positive 2. So choice D.